Southern Railfan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Railfan, subscribe today.
Okie dokie, we're starting our day off here early at Moody Town. We just missed a northbound empty coal train, E312, but now we're going to get the chance to catch our first M892. That replaced the M692, and he's blowing now at Jacktown. We're going to catch him, and hopefully somewhere along the line today we can catch the northbound empty ethanol train. I think it's got a couple of Canadian National units on it. We'll make sure to try to catch him, but we're going to hang out here and catch this northbound man. Big train, sweet. Okie dokie, we didn't even get our egg eat before this B670 knocked down the defect detector and the signal at Fayro and the defect detector at 225. You can probably hear him blowing in the background there at Jacktown. So we're going to catch him here, and he's got 2 Canadian National units, and I believe that all 3 locomotives are on the head end, so we're going to catch him. was awesome. I'm not sure if that's the same city rail unit, the X city rail unit that we've seen before or not, but anyway, that's a pretty cool little lash up there. Sweet. Cool. I just heard the Norfolk and Southern defect detector go off at the 107. Too late in the afternoon to be P87, so something must be coming east. Let's run uptown, check it out. Well, just some maintenance away equipment, but still it's pretty cool to see that action. They sure have worked a whole lot on that line up through there for not any more action than it gets. So I'm really hoping in the future they'll start some run-through trains on that again. Got a thank you card in the mail from Eric Hutton. Thank you very, very much. That was unexpected and very much appreciated. That's something you don't see much anymore. I'm glad you can enjoy that caboose and put it on display. So, Eric, thanks a lot. Pretty good day. We got those 3 trains this morning all within about 90 minutes. They were really on top of each other. So, hopefully tomorrow will be Thursday. Hopefully tomorrow will be Thursday. It could be Saturday. I don't know why I said that. Hopefully we'll catch some tomorrow, Thursday, trains. I'm not going to edit this out. It's just going to be there. I don't know why I was saying that. Anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow.